guys! We came really very late in the afternoon here today at the farm. And look what my husband is doing. Tinatrabaho niya yung gate ng farm kasi it's been some time na natumba siya. Wala namang ano dito, wala namang masamang tao. But anyway, we just wanna have it fixed. It is almost 5 o'clock in the afternoon here already. Na late kami kasi we have a lot of things to do back home. Tsaka yung husband ko inassist niya muna yung parents niya to the doctor. Yung mga seniors kasi walang makaka-drive sa kanila. Anyway, it's a very very nice weather here. Binuksan na pala namin yung yung chicken house namin, yung grower house, because it has been very hot for the chicks. Actually hindi sila chicks eh. Today is their 5th day, so tomorrow is finally magsi 6th day na sila. Imagine, ang bilis ng panahon, but I'm very very happy, very glad, very grateful na we managed to grow them healthy and wala masyadong mortality. To think na we are growing for the first time, so brooding very very crucial talaga siya, but I'm super duper happy kasi okay lang naman. I mean, there were sleepless nights, there were challenges, pero sobrang sobrang thankful, really. Meanwhile, since we only have a very short time here at the farm, since it's already late in the afternoon, I just have to check on some stuff here since wala yung isang staff namin, nag day off lang yung in charge dito. May assignment kasi ako sa kanya. I'm just checking on some documentation here and see if next week makaka-expand na ba talaga kami. So so far hindi pa na-clear dito ang mga lagayan ng mga feeders at saka drinkers, pero at least nalinis niya lahat. And aside from that, these things have to be placed sa kung saan sila dapat ilagay pagkatapos ma-expand natin tong barrier na to. Look at this bird. Lagi siya dyan talaga. Ayun. So look. One thing nga pala guys is one of our staff also went for his day off. So 1 day lang yung day off niya. So pinayagan na lang namin, kawawa naman yung bata. Tsaka 1 month na din siyang hindi nakaka-uwi. So as much as possible, let them have their own day off kasi dun sila nakaka-refuel din. Some farms, they don't really allow people to go home or their staff to go home dahil sa biosecurity, but if you just set some rules like kailangan lang maligo every time lumabas sila, wala namang problema doon. And look at them. May pala tayo dito. May 2 kids. Kid yung diba tawag sa mga puppy na mga goat. Yan, she has 2 kids. This goat is galing sa isang staff namin. Pinayagan na lang namin na mag-alaga siya ng kambing dito. Ayun. So if you look from this part here, ayan, nakabukas na. Not sure if you guys could see them really close. Ayan, nasa bintana na sila. Tapos binuksan na namin konti yung floor area din. So the plan here is, so mag December na tayo, 'di ba? So mag 2025 na tayo. My husband and I are planning to expand 2 times next year. Hopefully kaya naman sa oras at saka sa budget. Kahit utangin yung kahit utangin na yung puhunan mo, but you know na meron ka talagang market, walang problema yun. Kasi kahit may utang ka pero nababayaran naman siya sa profit mo, walang problema talaga yun. Tsaka mabilis yung pagpalaki or pagpa-expand ng farm. So punta lang tayo dun sa grower house. Hindi sana ako pupunta, pero gusto ko lang sila makita. So there is some sort of hello ayan, nagsispread out na sila dahil wala nang init. Pero kanina actually it was really hot. Tapos na ko na lang, bakit hindi nila binuksan tong bintana? Pwede naman tong buksan. Kaya sabi ko sila na buksan na. Kanina I saw a sikwa. Ayan, may sikwa. Pero ano na daw to eh. Ayan. Another one there.